Bienvenido. Welcome to lesson 2. This time we're going to talk about the pharmacy and going to the pharmacy. And the great thing about in other countries, unlike the United States, is the pharmacist can prescribe medicine. So if you're sick and you need antibiotics or something for something that ails you, like stomach issues because you accidentally had some of the water or ate something, you can go to the pharmacy and they will help you get the medicine you need. You don't necessarily have to go to a doctor. So the first thing you want to know is, where is the pharmacy? ¿Dónde está la farmacia? ¿Dónde está is where is. It's a great phrase to know for where is something. ¿Dónde está la farmacia? You have to be careful because it's going to be open-ended and they're going to give you a story on how to get there. So you want to really limit your questions, like voy a la farmacia. I'm going to. Voy a la farmacia. I'm going to the pharmacy. And you might just want to ask them which way, left or right. Izquierda is left, derecha is right, derecho is straight. So be careful. It ends in an A, derecha, that's right. Derecho is straight, or izquierda is left. Or you can just point. And then, un bloque, dos bloques, tres bloques. That's 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks. To get an idea. Don't ever ask, is it close? Because everybody has their own perspective of what is close. Everyone doesn't have cars in other countries like we do here. So for them, walking is no big deal. So a 20-minute walk for them is close, whereas for us, it's far. So you just ask which way, point, and how far, and then get to a certain point and ask the next person, ¿Dónde está la farmacia? Izquierda, derecho, derecha, un bloque, dos bloques, tres bloques, to get more or less of an idea. You might also want to ask them, is it a 5-minute walk, a 10-minute walk, a 20-minute walk, So you might say, tarda 5 minutos andando, tarda 10 minutos andando. Tarda is, will it take? Is it going to take how long? So tarda 5 minutos, 10 minutos, that's 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Andando, walking, andando. Andar is to walk, andando is walking. That would be A-N-D-A-N-D-O, andando. Tarda 5 minutos andando. And in gringo, it would be tarda 5 minutos andando. And that's fine. They will understand you. Tarda 10 minutos andando. ¿Dónde está la farmacia? Farmacia. Either way, wherever you put the accent, they're going to know what you're talking about. You want to know about how long, because you have to decide if you want to walk or take a cab. Just know that you most likely will get some stomach problems when you're traveling to countries where water is not often drunk out of the faucet, which is many countries that are Spanish speaking. They have to boil their water first. Some restaurants will rinse your salad off with water without boiling it, or they'll use ice cubes that's not boiled. So just be prepared for some stomach problems. And you want to bring something with you just to kind of in advance. However, if you need to go, and this is a little sensitive, but you want to know these words, tengo diarrhea. Diarrhea is diarrhea. Tengo is I have. Tengo diarrhea. I have diarrhea. It's something that happens, or constipation. These are just problems that are very common when traveling. And constipation is estreñimiento. So that's a long word. You can say tengo problemas en el baño. I have problems in the bathroom. And they'll ask you, they might know the words. So, you want to spell it out simply, use words you know. Problemas en el baño, dolor de estómago. I have a pain in my stomach. Dolor is pain, estómago is stomach. Tengo dolor de estómago, problemas en el baño. Those are words that are very common, and you want to ask the pharmacist for any kind of medicine. So again, Hopefully you will be fine. Dolor is a great word to know because you can look up words like cabeza. Garganta is throat. Estomago. Pies. Tengo dolor de pies, your feet, if you're doing a lot of walking. Good words to know. Know where the pharmacy is. Be prepared. Go with some medicine. Hasta luego.